Alright, let's just get this out of the way. Meeting a girl sounds like a huge challenge, right? But in reality, it's way easier than you think. You've probably heard all the complicated stuff about this, like you gotta have these moves or know exactly what to say. But, honestly, that's just noise. In this video, we're keeping it simple, real simple, and showing you how to meet girls in a chill, no pressure way. Look, I'm not saying it's always easy, but trust me, once you get a few basics down, it's actually not that bad. Let's break it down step by step. Okay, let's start with the obvious, apps and social media. Seriously, if you don't think it's easy to meet people now, then you're missing out. There are so many platforms where you can meet girls: Tinder, Bumble, Instagram, even Twitter. Everything's just one click away. And here's the kicker, you don't even have to leave your house to start the conversation. I mean, in the past, you had to go out, hope you met someone at a bar or a party, and that's all kinda stressful, right? Now, all you need is your phone, some creativity, and boom, you're good to go. Now, if you're thinking, yeah, but I'm bad at starting conversations, let me tell you, stop overthinking it. Don't start with the basic "Hi, how are you?" That's way too generic. Go for something more unique. Maybe comment on her profile, like, "I love your pet, looks like it's always getting into trouble." Boom, already standing out from the crowd. And hey, if you don't want to go for the direct message route, just start by liking her posts, commenting something light and fun. The idea is to get noticed in a natural way. Now, listen up, I can't stress this enough. One of the worst things you can do is try to be someone you're not. It's just gonna backfire. Trust me, girls can sense that a mile away. So forget all the pickup lines or pretending you're someone you're not. The real key to making a connection is just being you. It's the easiest thing ever, and people can tell when you're genuine. Are you nervous? That's cool. Show it. Don't fake confidence. If you're feeling a bit shy or unsure, it's fine. Just be upfront about it. People respect honesty more than you think. In fact, when you try to put on a facade, you just create this awkward tension. But when you're yourself, things feel smoother, more relaxed. That's how real connections happen. Don't go trying to be that cool, mysterious guy who doesn't open up. Just be authentic. People connect more with vulnerability than with this fake persona you're trying to build. Here's the thing, man, humor is like your secret weapon. You can't just walk up to someone and be super serious all the time. That's a buzzkill, but when you bring in some humor, everything changes. Girls love a guy who can make them laugh, who doesn't take himself too seriously. Think about it, everyone loves to laugh, right? You want to be that guy who can make her smile, make the moment feel light and easy. Let's say you're at a coffee shop or somewhere casual. There's always something happening around you that you can joke about. If you notice something funny happening, point it out, but make it playful, not mean-spirited. Like, that guy over there with the weird mustache, I think he just invented a new trend. Don't overdo it, though. Humor works best when it's natural. You don't want to come off as trying too hard. Just drop a funny line here and there, and let the conversation flow from there. Let's talk confidence for a sec. Confidence is key, guys. But, and here's the catch, confidence doesn't mean being cocky or arrogant. You've got to find that sweet spot. When you feel good about who you are, and you're comfortable with yourself, that confidence radiates naturally. You don't need to act like a playboy or put on some fake persona. Just be sure of yourself and your worth. But don't take it too far. Confidence is awesome, but cockiness? Nah. Girls can tell when you're just showing off. You want to be the guy who's comfortable in his own skin, not the guy who's trying to prove something. Here's a real-life example. Let's say you're talking to her and you're nervous, but you admit it. Maybe say something like, "Okay, I'm gonna be honest, I'm kinda nervous here." That honesty shows confidence in itself. No need to be perfect, just be real about who you are. If you show confidence without being too much, it's gonna pay off. No need to be the loudest person in the room, just be comfortable with who you are. So, to sum it all up, meeting a girl is actually pretty easy. You just need to keep it real. Use social media to your advantage. Be yourself, bring some humor, and walk in with confidence. That's the recipe. It's really not that hard, and once you start putting yourself out there, you'll see how easy it really is. So, no more excuses. Go out there, be yourself, and remember, the goal is not to stress over it, but just have fun with it. If you like these tips, make sure to drop a like, share this with your friends who need some help in this area, and subscribe for more easy hacks to make life and meeting girls way easier.